What's up, guys? Welcome to Customs of the Week, Season 3, Episode 3. What's up, guys? I'm Jason. This is Dillon.
What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining us.
So Customs of the Week is a segment where we showcase 5 amazing artists and their custom shoe skills.
And this week we have a whole new, really wide array of base shoes, along with some never-before-seen artists. So let's go ahead and get into this week's episode.
So to kick things off, we have the sick R2D2 rendition on the Jordan 1. We have R2D2 just emerging from the shoe, and it's done really well. You can even have like it's like dirt. I don't know if it's dirt, but like the background.
Kind of a battle
R2D2.
scene, a worn out scene, you know what I mean? He's not emerging from like a clean, clear, like, just
like
black
a cave,
hole.
almost
right,
a cave.
Right, it's cool.
Yeah, and like bits of the cave are like falling into the midsole even, and even onto the rest of the shoe. It's done really well, especially with the shadowing. It looks like almost like it's a 3D effect.
Right. This is a really great job also of picking the perfect base shoe for your custom. Using this Jordan 1 Kentucky, it already has this color scheme that matches R2D2's, and then just adding in, like you said, all these little artistic details of making the character really look like he's popping out straight from the shoe. Just a really good job on these. So here we have a really cool take on the splatter concept that a lot of customizers have given a lot of different kind of renditions to, and there's so many different ways that you can do splatter. You've seen plenty where it's really just across the whole shoe, not even masking anything off. But these are different because they have a lot of different splatter techniques. There's something really cool that you don't see too often of kind of like a brush splatter. So if you really look at these, you can kind of see some cool brush techniques of blending of colors along with the splatter on top. There's just a lot of cool details here.
Yeah, back in middle school, we used to take our markers and just, I don't know if you ever did this, but just smash them against paper.
Right.
And this is literally what that looks
Yeah,
like.
yeah.
And I think that's not, it doesn't like say anything bad, but I think it goes to show that it's not even like a splatter, like you said. You just took a marker or like a paintbrush and just whipped paint. It looks like it was like he actually did
a lot
of
cool color blends here, man. There's not really a right or wrong way to do splatter and stuff, but it's really cool when you see it done in a way like this, where somebody's able to provide their own style and technique to this cool concept.
And you also have the swooshes.
Yeah, the reconstructed swooshes. Yeah, the little lace tabs. It's super cool.
So we featured shoes before where they didn't necessarily put the character on the shoe. They put the colors that are most associated with the character. And I think this is a really good case of that. I think the color blocking is done amazing. All the line work is really clean. And right off the bat, you can tell what it is.
Yeah,
you don't
away.
question what it is. You know what it is already. Yeah. And I don't know if these go with the shoe, but the little tags in the middle,
super cool.
Those could probably be lace tags.
Yeah,
they fit really well with the shoe.
I think kind of how you mentioned that sometimes you don't need to throw the character on there, whatever, if you can sell the custom with just things that resemble the character. That's a really cool way. And I remember when I first started, I think it might have been Mosh that said, it's kind of a cool goal if you can achieve a custom by making it look like something that the character would wear. So in this case, if Buzz Lightyear was wearing an Air Force One, what would it look like? Or if Woody was wearing an Air Force One, what would it look like? And that's really achieved here. And this is what makes Air Forces such a cool base, because there's so many panels that look at how many cool things you're able to do. So love how these came out. Awesome take on the Toy Story theme. So I'm always a sucker for a good Air Force custom. I think it's one of the best base shoes that you can start with. And here's an example of just taking an all white and really just kind of doing your thing with, this really cool, unique Hanya mask along with this snake, and just playing with the contours of the shoe, how they have the snake starting on one side, ending on the other, along with some parts of it missing where it would be going through the tongue. So just a great job with these. Color selection's great.
I think some of the best customs we've seen have been, I don't know if this guy does tattoos, but they've definitely been tattoo-inspired customs.
Love
and obviously you have the Hanya mask, you have the snake, and it's just done really well, like right away. I don't think you question what it is. You kind of can tell what it is, especially from, like, that's important with a tattoo.
Right,
they took that into,
big and bold, legible from a distance, you know what I mean?
Exactly. And they took that concept and put it onto a shoe.
Right, definitely.
just in case I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but I believe these are Chinese New Year like dragons, and they're painted extremely well on these Vans. It looks like Vans released these.
Right. It does look like that.
You know, on the holiday, but damn, these are just amazing.
Awesome.
And I think also on the back tab is a little like design on the back tab too. And then the video that he released with these shoes is clean too. It's really well done.
Yeah, I think they get a grade A for their presentation on these. This video is awesome. I think that the pictures are done really well. Obviously, when you have something big, bold, and a really high level of artistry, you kind of want to just let the art talk for itself. And you know, the pictures should, you know, kind of flow with that, and I think they do really well here. Doing these large dragons across the entire toe box was a great idea. The colors are awesome. Like you said, the highest compliment you could give these is really they do look like something that Vans released. You know, you can't tell it's painted at all. So beautiful job with these.
Thank you guys for sticking with us on another episode of Customs of the Week. Before the year ends, we want to say thank you for all the support, the immense support.
Absolutely.
We can't tell you guys how much we appreciate it. We're at 5,000 subs now.
Giveaway coming soon.
There's a giveaway coming soon, obviously. And for all the new people who are joining us on this like journey of ours, make sure you go check out our previous videos because we have tons of tutorials. We have tons of content just ready for you guys to soak in. For everyone who's been there since obviously like, you know, since we started early in the year, thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you if you've ever watched any of our videos, liked any of our videos, commented on any of our videos, or if you've been one of the 5,000 to subscribe. We really can't thank you guys enough. This page wouldn't be where it is without you guys. So as always, send us any suggestions you guys would like to see for future videos. We really try to base our content off what we know that you guys will like and be able to learn from. So thank you guys again for the support. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a like, make sure you're subscribed, and we will see you guys next week. Damn, I should have said next year. That would have been nice and corny. All right.